Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making... Okay, so this is the ingredients list in order to make our oven fried chicken. Of course, you can modify it as you wish. So I'm using Montreal steak seasoning, some garlic powder, some onion powder. I'm going to be using some 5-spice powder, some dried basil from my garden, and some Guyanese thyme. Again, this is optional. That was from my garden. Some chili powder. Angostura bitters, again, optional, and some olive oil. So after washing my chicken with lime, I'm going to start with the seasoning process. So as you can see, adding all the seasonings to the chicken. So now we're just going to flip everything over onto the other side. And we're going to start to add some seasoning on this side of the chicken. All right, so now we want to mix everything together. Get everything nicely coated. Now the Montreal steak seasoning has salt in it already, and so that's why I'm not adding any extra salt. So this is optional. If you have some Angostura bitters, you can put a few dashes. In terms of the fresh seasonings, I'm putting garlic, onions, some shadow beni, and some seasoning peppers. I'm just going to give that a pulse in the food processor so that it can chop it up. And then we're gonna, it will mince it, really fine. And then we're gonna add that to our chicken and again, mix well. So that's our fresh seasoning. Of course, if you had other fresh seasonings that you wanted to add, you can do that. Right, so we have our seasoned chicken. Leave it to marinate for a while. So I left it to marinate. Well, you can leave it to marinate how long you want to. I'm now adding it to a Ziploc bag with some flour and dredging the chicken. All right, so now we're going to get a baking sheet or pan. We're going to put some parchment paper down. We're going to put some coconut oil at the base. Then we're going to lay our chicken onto the baking sheet. We don't want to use as much oil as if you were deep frying it. And so this method, yes, you do use some oil, but not as much as if I was deep frying it. Okay, so now we're going to drizzle some coconut oil on the top to help the skin crisp up a bit. We're going to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. We're going to turn the chicken halfway through cooking. Enjoy!